Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're managing books in QuickBooks Online, you know how important journal entries are for keeping your financials accurate. But manually entering them one by one, that's time consuming. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to import journal entries into QuickBooks Online, step by step using the process. It's quick, reliable, and a total game changer for your workflow. Let's get right into it. First, head over to QuickBooks Online and click the Sign In button on the top right. Enter your email or username and password, then click Sign In again. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard, your control center for everything accounting related. Now, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon, which opens your settings. From there, select Import Data. QuickBooks will show you a few data types you can import. Just choose journal entries from the list. This tells QuickBooks you're ready to bring in your entries from an external file. Next, click the Import button. Find and select your pre-prepared CSV file that contains all your journal entries. Before uploading, make sure your CSV is properly formatted, with clear columns for accounts, debits, credits, dates, and any memo details. Once ready, upload it, and QuickBooks will automatically read your data. Now comes the crucial part. Mapping. QuickBooks will ask you to match your CSV columns with its own fields, like account name, debit, credit, and date. Take your time here to ensure each field lines up correctly. Once you're confident everything looks right, click Import. And that's it. Your journal entries will instantly appear inside QuickBooks Online. And that's how you import journal entries into QuickBooks Online. Simple, fast, and accurate. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.